Hello guys, welcome to TechnoClown channel, and today I'm gonna teach you how to create a website on WordPress within 5 minutes. So let's get started. So I'm gonna type wordpress.com, and within that we get started. Mhm. Enter your email address here and choose a username and choose a password. I'll be building a demo website for you all guys. Just check up. Now create your account. Now choose the category, which kind of website are we building. I'll be choosing a blog, and now choose a topic on which you're making a blog. It could be food, travel, film, photography, local, people and sport. Now I'll be selecting technology from these. Suggestions will be rolling down over the screen. Click on continue. Select a name for the blog, like I am choosing Anas blog. Click continue. Give it an address. Maybe you can buy a custom domain, or you can choose a name or a domain from the suggestions given below. Like you could buy anas.press. It cost 4,200 rupees per year, and anas.life 1750. Or else you could just select a free plan. I'll be selecting a free plan. You could consider buying these. Yeah. So let's get started with free plan. Select. Now these are premium packages for different types of websites. Now we don't want to invest such money on this, so we will start with a free site. Yeah. If you buy a blogger, it costs 150 rupees personal, 250 rupees premium, 350 rupees business, 800 rupees, and e-commerce 1440 rupees. Start with the free site. Give us a moment, we'll be right along. Your site has been created. Congratulations, you're ready with your site. Now just there are some tasks to do. Complete them as soon as possible. Like create a tagline for your website. Like my name is Anas blog, so I'll create a tagline for it. First impression is the last. Okay. Tagline being technology revealed. Sorry. Yeah. Now save settings. Yeah. Now return to the checklist. Okay. Personalize your contact page. Following things are considered. Just register a custom domain can't be done so soon. You have to buy a domain for that. And now you are almost ready with your website. Like you can go to that link and check up, like anas.movie.blog. That's the current domain. After logging in, we see a WordPress website. Yeah, Anas blog. Now this is the control panel. My site, right, my photograph, and bell icon. Now this is a simple customized version of a theme. You can select from different themes available on the website. WordPress offers thousands of themes online. Contact. name, email, comments. These are type of forms which can be recorded overall. And thanks for watching. Thank you so much, and please subscribe our channel.